Hey guys, this is Anthony from Rocket Prints, and thanks for watching this video. Today I'm going to show you a program that I use called Printify that helps me create t-shirts because I don't have certain equipment on hand that I could use to help increase my business at this moment. There are other alternatives that you can use, and this is one of them. This is Printify. What Printify is it's a third-party company that has their own equipment that you don't have at the moment if you're like me. And if customers are getting too technical with t-shirts and you're a vinyl cutter like me, and you can't produce that type of design, this is a company that you can rely on that can get the job done for you, okay? Quickly and easy. Also, if you're curious about learning how to do a home business and create t-shirts and do this online, this is the way to go. So what you need to do is build a store, and there's all kinds of free stores that you can do. So I'll name one of them that I do have is a company called Etsy. It's a free sign up. You just create your store and you can link this up with Printify, and then from Printify you can create designs, free designs on this program, and you can start selling t-shirts right away. Like, I mean, literally right away once you're set up, okay? I'm going to show you how simple it is to create a t-shirt, post it on your Etsy store, and boom, there it is, and get ready to start selling. First, what you want to do is obviously you want to create your store, okay? And then you want to return back to Printify, link it all up together, and get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to my stores here. All right, and here I have an Etsy store, and I already have Printify already set up. But let's go back, and I want to show you the prices. Okay, so let's go to pricing. So for starters, which I was a starter at one time too, I used the free option here for merchants starting a business. Okay, $0, and you get 5 stores per account, unlimited product designs. Okay, currently I'm at premium, working my way up to the enterprise, so I pay this much. But the reason why I do that is because you pay the monthly fee. They actually lower their price fees for all their material. Okay, on here you're just gonna, it's free. You're gonna pay their standard prices. But if you go to the premium, they will lower the prices so you get more bang for your buck. All right, so what you can do is we can go back to catalog, and let's go ahead and choose what we want to do. So what do we want to make today? Do we want to do t-shirts, hoodies, women's stuff, t-shirts and hoodies, and more accessories? Or do we want to do kids, accessories, or home living? Today we're going to work on t-shirts. Okay, so let's click on a t-shirt, and let's do this one, this unisex ultra cotton Gildan 2000. Let's click on it, and from here we're going to select a printing company that we're going to have them make the shirt. These guys are ready, standing by, ready to make your design. Okay, we'll choose let's go to SwiftPod right here. These guys are located in the United States, which is where I am from, and they're actually offering all these choices of colors. Okay, so what we need to do from here is click Start Design. It brings you to a image of a t-shirt, and this little box is telling you where to put the design. Now, I use CorelDRAW, which is a design software that helps me create t-shirts. But however, if you do not have CorelDRAW or what's that other program? I forget. But if you do not have any of those programs, don't worry. You can still create your design. Okay. All you need to do is just go back, scroll all the way down to, let's go back to Printify, the very first page of Printify. All right, and from here, this page, you just want to scroll all the way down. And then where it says start selling, you can actually download free t-shirt designs. You see that? Once you're there, you got all these images that you can pick for free. You can download for free and use those as templates. Okay, that's the cool part. So I already downloaded this cat. I got 10 free PNG designs and I downloaded them. Okay, so all you need to do is just click download, pop them on your desktop, and get ready to start designing. All right, so let's go back to the t-shirt and let's add a design. So what I'm going to do is since I've already downloaded the design, what you would need to do is go to my device, and then it'll search for your design on your computer, and then you just add it. All right, so here I'm going to go my library. I'm going to click on the cat that I got for free using that free product, and I'm going to use this cat. So what I want to do is I'm going to change the color from white, the t-shirt. We're going to make it black, uncheck the white, and we're just going to bring him down a little bit. We're going to shrink him down, and we're going to use this alignment tool on the right hand on the bottom, and we're going to bring him all the way down. So this border box, you cannot blow up the image past the border box, because if you do, I'll show you what happens. It'll start cutting him out. Okay, so you can bring it out a little bit if you want, but you cannot pass those lines. Okay, but you can bring the green box out. The green box, you can increase the size. You see that? You can increase it, and it's still good. The only thing is you cannot take the image out of the box. All right, so we're just going to shrink it down a little bit because we want to add some text. All right, so now that we did that, we're going to add a design. All right, and from here it's going to say custom text. We want to click that, and we're going to put I need a hug. All right, okay, we're going to change the color of the font, so we want to change that to white. And then from here we can change the text font. All right, so we'll pick that Boogaloo, and then we want to bring this all the way up to the top. Now all I'm going to do is use this tool up here, down here, and we're gonna click up, and boom, it's all the way to the very top. Now it's kind of big, so we want to shrink it down a little bit. And then there we go. And if you think it's too high, or you think the cat is too small, you can blow it up a little bit, and then bring him up some. Okay. Now we got him there. All right. So once you do that, all you're gonna do is hit save, and then from here you're just gonna click on published. You're going to scroll down, and right here where it says select title image view, this is where when you select this, it's going to tell your store, this is how I want my customers to see it. Do you want to see it in a back view? Do you want to see it in a front view? Okay, or select image title color. So we're going to click, we want the front view because it's a front view shirt. All right. And then down here, you're just going to name it. You're going to put cat, and we'll put I need a hug cat. All right. And then you got this option here, this description. You can just put what a great gift for your family and friends to enjoy. Okay, and here is the cool part. So here's all the sizes of the shirts that they offer. You're asking them that you want the color black, and the inventory all in stock. And this shirt is costing the total price of this shirt is $7.66. The retail price for this shirt at a 40% margin is $12.77 to the customer, and leaving you a profit of $5.11. Now, you can increase this. Okay, so if you wanted to go higher on your profit margin, all you need to do is select all, edit profit margin, type in 55 or more, or whatever you want. Let's say you wanted to do $10. You want to make $10 off of this profit, right? Boom. So now it's going to up everything. Okay, this stays the same, of course. Now the retail price for a small shirt is $17.02. You're profiting $9.36 at 55% margin, and then it goes up. Okay, for medium, large, extra large, 2X, 3X, 4X, and then $26.62 for a 5X shirt. Okay, and that's all driven off of this profit margin right here. So now you're looking at some serious money. Think about if you sold 5 of these shirts, and you saw how quick it was just to make this shirt, how to make this design. You saw how quick that was, right? Think about if you sold 5 shirts. Now you just made yourself $50 and some change. Isn't that crazy? That is awesome. So test the waters, folks. I guarantee you, if you can make one sale, I guarantee you're going to get excited and you're going to want to repeat this business all over again, because it is fun to do. And especially if you're marketing out there, and you do drive some type of business, or even if it's a close friend that wants you to make a shirt for them, I guarantee you, once you make that shirt and they like it and they get some good results, because these people that are screen printing this, they got high-tech equipment, so it's going to come out looking very professional. All right, think about that. If that customer likes what you did, he's going to come back next time, or he's going to tell 10 people, and those 10 people are going to come seeking you, and now you're going to get repeated business, and you're going to get good results. Okay, so now you're going to start running a little store. Okay, so that's how you do it. So lastly, what you're going to do is you're going to hit publish, and it's going to tell you what store. You click publish to Etsy store, you hit publish, and boom, now it's in your store. It actually is there. So just to show you, we'll go to my Etsy store here, and let's look up my store, and it won't drop it into your store right away, but that I can make another video on that. What you do is go to listings, and then it'll bring it into your draft box here. There it is right there. Okay, so there it is. There's my shirt, and all I need to do is just set it up in here, and that, like I said, that can be a different video, but there it is. It's already extracted from Printify to your Etsy shop. Okay, so appreciate y'all watching this video. I hope this helps you out if you are a beginner entrepreneur seeking to do an online retail business, creating t-shirts or mugs or doing whatever. It's a fun site to use. I really enjoy it. It has made me a lot of money, and trust me, test the waters, give it a shot. It's free. Hey, why not, right? If you do not have the equipment, don't worry, they got you. Printify's got you. If you're curious and you have questions, just leave a comment on this video. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Okay. Also, I would appreciate it too. I am an affiliate partner with Printify, and it would help me out. If you're curious and you want to sign up, just click the link down below, and we both can make money together. Okay. So thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. See you guys back next week. This is Rocket Prince signing off. Peace out.